你呢度？
哎呀，
呢度都仲有粒啊！食啊！哇！哎呀！冇呢度唔對啊！但係嗰棵好大粒喎，我聽到聲，嘣一聲啊！啊，走啊！一行翻落去，行去隔離睇望下走啊！水位上來了啦，現在水位開始慢慢上來了，我們開始釣魚了，希望今天有好收穫啦。Yeah, Leo.
You got the bottom.
Ah, yes.
I saw your. I think was it your last.
You always
time
come
went
here or
to the rocks? No, my first time.
First time,
That's why I was looking on YouTube, like where do we go fishing in Ubin.
Oh, I see.
And then I think I saw your channel and noticed like you were up to like vlog number 12 or something like that.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
But here got many people net. When low tide, actually low tide is a good chance for fishing Baramundi.
Yeah.
But the net, the fish get already, not a bit already. Oh, this fish very smelly, this fish.
Is it?
Really? Oh, you don't touch, very smelly. Wow. 一掉去食啊！哇！哎呀！慢慢fight，慢慢fight啊！
Wow, look at that nice barra. Wow. Hey, this is a really nice size fish here. Big barramundi.
OK， 登了。
又係呢條。哇！又中咗嗎？哇 ！Another fish！ 哇！大條！哇！哇！整到我！哇！呢條靚啲，住啊
OK。
阿 V 終於釣一條啦！唉，冇咁樣揸唔靚嘛？你咁樣揸啊？OK，nice， 攞前啲嚟。中啊！中啊！哦 ，fish on。
哦，水啊！
衰啦！
對咯，隻水啊！落去就熱口啊！入口啊！呢隻入口啊！哎呀，頭整。點咩頭整啊？點咩啊？到佢啊！嚟，
杜靚叔叔啊！
你使到要。
輪啊！你摸下係淋咩？
加深，加，你睇下叫佢開嘢啦。係啦，開啊！啊，長乜？聽啊！
攞，
佢
一跌落去攞拉
到
淋噶嘛？
可以，拉。
杜靚叔叔，哎呀，我攞翻粒先。
攞，可以來，攞，就香啊，就好食啊。好啊，就好啊，這。
咁幫杜靚啊！
是。來啊，榴蓮啊！好啊！好了，沒有農藥。哇，沒有農藥就好了啲，或者然後我只能開。我榴蓮基本上袂生嘅。
哎呦喂，
啊？哪裡？呢啊？
哇，真係有粒嘅喂，未搞笑咧，
哇，
兩粒咧，
得唔得食嘢？
唔係啊，好，
冇啦冇啦。哇，喂黃肉啊，
唔係好，
哇，
啊俾你食，俾你食。
好，
真係攞到粒
邊度
咧，
執嘅啫？哇，細細粒冇。
唔係搞笑嚟你呢個。喂，fish on，fish on。哦，准备下车进去了。也 OK。Green nice。谢谢和感激大家一路上的支持，我们今天视频就到此为止，下次见，拜拜。